There are two ways to do a cash out in Insight. You will need to choose which one you prefer. Daily Cash Out is a basic tool to track end-of-day totals. Cash Drawer Management also generates end-of-day totals with the addition of keeping track of a float amount. Select a date to run the cash out. You can select a past date to view a past cash out. There is a service or product sales breakdown here. Cash recorded is total cash sales based on Insight's recorded values. The actual values are editable to reflect any payment amount discrepancies. Cash can be counted per coin or bill type here. Or the actual cash value can be recorded here. Editing these actual values is just for record keeping in Daily Cash Out and does not change any of your totals in any other reports. Payments are totaled here. If you are over or under based on the actual values entered, you will see an amount totaled here. You can print your cash out once finished and exit the screen when you are done. Now we'll look at Cash Drawer Management. Click Add New Drawer to start using Cash Drawer Management. Enter a name for the drawer. Choose your target float. Insight will calculate how much cash to keep in your drawer based on this value. Click Save. Enter the float amount that you will be opening your drawer with. This is likely the same value as your target float. Once the cash drawer is made, it will be set to closed. When ready to start taking payments for the day, you'll need to click Start Session to open the drawer. This will be the value of the float left in drawer carried over from the previous night. If the float amount has changed since the previous cash out, adjust it here. Choose this option if you have multiple cash drawers and keep track of their floats separately. Choose this option if each employee has their own separate cash drawer. If you have one cash drawer or want all transactions to be totaled in the same cash out, select this option. The cash drawer is now activated and you can start taking payments. When you have taken your last payment for the day, it is time to cash out. This is the value of the float you started with. This is the value of what the closing float should be based on what was set as the target float earlier. Click the three dots to count your coins and bills. This is how much cash was collected. It is separate from your float. This is what Insight calculates should be taken out of the drawer to deposit at the bank. This value is based on what is set as your target float. Enter the amount here that was actually withdrawn from the drawer. You can record any amount discrepancies in pay types, however if you notice any of these values are off, it is best to fix it directly on that client's invoice so other reports are not off. This total is of payments that were previously prepaid for. Do not include these payments in your total income for the day as they will be double due to being recorded under depositable income at the time of prepayment. The grand total includes both depositable and non-depositable payments. If you are under, it will show here in red. If you are over, it will show here in black. When you are finished, you can optionally print or save a cash out report here. Save and end your session to finish cashing out. The cash drawer is now closed.